Hi everyone, I am going to do an unboxing on, this is a back scrubber and a soap, kind of like a soap wash dish. So this is the soap wash dish. It's soft, easy, cleansable, silicone massage bath brush. Let's just open it so you can see how it actually looks. It's very soft. These bristles are really soft. Really, I want to say is just, I haven't used it yet, so but I'm just doing an unboxing. This is the area where you put your favorite soap that you want or body wash that you want in there, which is a liquid form for you to wash yourself. So like I said, have really fine, very soft bristles. I feel much better now that if I'm using it as a washing mechanism versus me just feeling it like this feels just too extra soft. But if you're actually doing it in like a washing motion, it has a lot more firmness to it, which that seems to be great. The second piece is the part for me. I have a hard time washing my back. Being a larger person, that is very bound to happen. So what I'm doing now is just opening this up so you can see. And when you're finished, it has a hook for you to hang on the shower so it can air dry. Okay, but this looks like a long belt. Um, this side has looks like a more firmer scrub for you to go across your back for you to scrub, and then this side seems to be a lot bumpy. I don't know what that side might be considered or for. It didn't really come with any instructions, but to me, I think I would probably like this side. Anything that feels like it can scratch the back, with it actually going across your back and rubbing. Like I said, I've bought a couple of products that would help me in the shower. And I'm just doing this one on for the back and for you to have your own hand scrub your body. So these look very cool. These were very inexpensive on Amazon. This came as a pack for $7.99. So it basically has 3 parts. The hook that you needs to hook on the shower so it can dry. So it's for this area here. So if you would hook this part and on the shower, and I'm pretty sure this comes off. But anyway, so that's what that is for. So I just wanted to do an unboxing on the product that I received. All right, and I will do an update in comments of how the product actually made me feel and how it actually worked when I took my shower. All right, thank you.